come on. This is a leg.
What is it?
It's an egg. It's really big.
It's really big. What's in it?
I don't know.
Crack it open.
Okay. I don't know how to do it.
There you go.
I can't do it.
Let me see.
More jelly beans. That really hurt my knees.
Oh, sorry. How did the Easter Bunny know that you like jelly beans?
I don't know. What's in here?
You gotta crack it.
I know something. More jelly beans? Ah!
You don't like jelly beans?
But I don't need too much jelly beans.
Is that too many jelly beans?
I'm sure Mommy will help.
Can I have a jelly bean?
Yeah.
I love jelly beans.
Ah.
Thanks. Yum.
Could I have this one?
That one too? Wow. Thanks, Mama.
Because I love you very much.
I love you very much too. Smooch.
Ah!
What?
Ah!
What is it? A dinosaur.
Ah! Wow, you.
It's a what?
Maybe welcome to more jelly beans. I don't need too much jelly beans. Oh my goodness. The bunny will. That's lovely.
He must.
Where's the crack?
Maybe that one doesn't have one.
Oh, there it is. Oh. Yeah, this.
Yes, you may. Thank you for asking. More jelly beans. Sure. Thanks, Buggy. Thanks, Mama. Okay, just say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Here, show me your new outfit. Let me see. What's on that one?
Flipendo.
Mm-hmm. And what does it have with it?
Let's go.
Mm-hmm. And how about this one?
Princess.
You like it? Which one do you like better? You like the princess one better?
Yeah.
How come? Because it's extra sparkly?
Okay.
Alright. Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, camera.